We're making the lemon bars, and the first step is to make the crust. And I will give you the recipe at the end, so you don't have to worry about trying to remember all this. But you basically make the crust first and bake it, and then you go ahead and make the lemon filling next. Daughter's pulling the crust out of the oven, and then that cools down while you make the lemon filling. Looks good, honey. We just had an epic fail. My daughter thought that it said 5 cups of flour instead of 5 tablespoons of flour. Good thing I came out and checked, because I said, this doesn't look smooth. So that's how you learn how to cook or bake, right? It's all good. This is looking like a much better consistency. A little watery, so we're gonna put it back in. What do you think, for maybe 5 more minutes? So the thing that we typically use to dust the powdered sugar at the end is in the dishwasher. So we were making do with this and we got a little too much. But at the end, you put the powdered sugar on to make it look really pretty. And next we will cut it, and it's going to be so yummy.